What's up guys, Summer here and welcome to another episode of Summer's Auto Marketing Channel. So, for today's video, ang ipepresent ko naman sa inyo ngayon ay kung paano i-connect ang Carbit link using the 14 Friday or the full EB 14 Friday 2024. So, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please hit the like and subscribe to the button para lagi kang updated sa lahat ng videos na ilalabas ko. So, let's go! So guys, ito yung LCD display ng 14 Friday full electric vehicle. So if I want to use the Carbit link using my phone with the internet connection, all I have to do is just press the phone link. So lalabas yung Carbit link and then just press the download app. So since sa cellphone ko naman i-scan ko lang siya. So, ayan guys, no, tinry natin yung cord. Mas mabilis siya pag naka-cord. So, depende sa internet connection nyo kasi mabagal yung internet connection ko dito. So, let's play.
Right underarms with 50 times more vitamin C plus collagen boosters. The number one liquid deo brand now in sachet.
So, maganda yung speaker niya, guys.
Order na. Hindi na AR.
Ayan.
If you have the badge, show it. If you haven't, show it. Mamatay siya sa
So, ayan, guys. So, same sila nagpa-play sa LCD display and with my cellphone. So, yun yung kagandahan, guys.
Sa atin ang papa ko. Sabi na, sunod na. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-ipit kasi ipit na po.
Bilog. Jollibee.
So, that's it guys. And I hope na marami kayong natutunan sa pag-vlog ko. For more inquiries and test drive, you can call to my number which is appearing on the screen. And comment down below lang kayo if you have questions or more inquiries. So, I need to end the vlog now. So, that's it guys and I hope na marami kayong natutunan. So, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button para lagi kang updated pa rin sa lahat ng videos na ilalabas ko. Bye-bye!